recent windstorm in Bayelsa State destroyed houses and farmlands, leaving behind agony and residents rendered homeless. In the special report, TVN correspondent Peace Israel narrates the ordeal faced by the affected communities.
Bayelsans continue to count their losses after a rainstorm that ripped roofs from houses and left untold hardship in its wake. Worship centers, economic trees, public infrastructure, and other social amenities were not left untouched as a strong wind made its way from the coast to the mainland. Agbede, Kalama, and Tay communities are, however, reeling from massive destruction caused by the ravaging wind.
This roof you see here was taken from the outside down here by the wind, and it destroys the whole house in this area.
And all my roofs in Kalama were blown off.
Every one of us are outside now. Imagine our kitchens, nowhere to cook.
This city right now as it stands is in ruins.
Property is damaged. I won't be assistance of the government.
Representative of the area in the State of House of Assembly, Godwin Wurukumo, enjoined stakeholders, especially oil companies operating in the area, to come to the aid of the victims.
The government to take immediate action, the Red Cross to come in immediately with drugs, food items and relief materials so that they can cushion the effect of the disaster.
The representative insisted that efforts must be made to rehabilitate those affected by the natural disaster. Israel, TVN News.